Most people use Rakuten and Honey completely wrong. They install one extension, forget about it, and assume they're saving the most money possible. Here's the truth no one tells you. Rakuten and Honey do very different things, and choosing the wrong one could cost you real savings every single month. In this video, I'll compare Rakuten versus Honey in 2026, show you which app saves more money, which one is easier to use, and which is actually better depending on how you shop online. And later, I'll show you the smartest way experienced shoppers combine both tools together. So first, let's keep this simple. Rakuten focuses mainly on cashback. Honey focuses mainly on coupon codes and price tracking. That difference matters a lot. When you shop through Rakuten, you earn a percentage of your purchase back as cashback. Sometimes it's 1%. Sometimes it jumps to 10% or higher during promotions. For example, Jake buys a $500 TV through Rakuten during a 10% cashback event. He gets $50 back after the purchase. Honey works differently. Honey automatically searches for coupon codes during checkout. So instead of cashback after buying, it tries to lower the price immediately before you pay. Now here's where it gets interesting. Honey can save money instantly, but sometimes the discount is small or the codes don't work. Rakuten cashback usually tracks reliably, but you have to wait for payout periods. This is where most people fail. They assume Honey always finds the best deal. But here's the problem. Many stores don't have strong coupon codes available anymore. In those cases, cashback from Rakuten may save you more money overall. Let's say Alex buys shoes online. Honey finds a 5% coupon, saving him $5. But Rakuten might offer 12% cashback on the same store, which could save $12 instead. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest setup to maximize both. Another difference is shopping behavior. Rakuten works best for people who already spend money online regularly on clothing, electronics, travel, or subscriptions. Honey works best for people who constantly search for deals and want automatic coupon testing. Now, here's the easiest strategy. Use both together. Experienced shoppers install both browser extensions. First, Honey checks for working coupons at checkout. Then Rakuten tracks cashback from the purchase. That means you can combine discounts and cashback at the same time. But there's one thing to watch out for. Sometimes using certain coupon codes outside Rakuten can cancel cashback tracking. So always check Rakuten store terms before using random promo codes. So which one wins? If your goal is long-term cashback earnings, Rakuten is usually better. If your goal is instant discounts and automatic coupons, Honey is more convenient. But honestly, the smartest move in 2026 is using both together strategically. If this comparison helped you decide between Rakuten and Honey, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-saving app reviews, and comment below which app has saved you the most money so far.